It's more of like a diversification play, really, when you think the S&P is up close to 30% for the year, right? So SCZ is small cap developed markets, sort of like the baby product to EFA, which is a very popular fund. A couple of things back it up. You have great inflows this year. You have $1 billion of inflow into the SCZ, $5 billion of inflow into the EFA. And one of the things you see for the year is an outperformance kind of like this. The SCZ's outperformed this year about 6% to EFA, and it's also a very well-diversified fund, which is what you're looking for in small cap. No single holding is above 4% of the fund, so you kind of eliminate that single stock risk. Another great way to break it down, really, when you look at this fund, is the geographical diversification of the fund. So you have about 27% Japan, about 20% Eurozone, and about 20% of the UK. And you can really make a case for each one of those regions as to why you can have a better year. In Japan...
Andy, I had a quick question about the geographic distribution. What is that based on? Is there a benchmark, or is it passively managed?
It's an index.
In some way?
It's a passively managed MSCI index for small cap, and they benchmark it that way. It is cap weighted, and that is how they kind of get to those countries. And in Japan, as I was saying, you have a devaluing yen, which the government's pushing, which is going to help exportation, and it's also going to help the equities. And you also have the 2020 Olympics, and I believe this morning they had a number of $150 billion that they are going to allocate towards getting the country ready for those Olympics. Small caps are going to greatly benefit from those. You look at the other regions, in the UK, they have the Help to Build housing program, and 18% of the small cap stocks in the UK are tied to house and home building, so that's going to help that. And also in the Eurozone, you have the January 2nd final PMI that is supposed to show 6 straight months of growth in manufacturing, which will help there as well.